Hello you guys, welcome back. First of all, I just want to thank you guys so much for the support in my latest video. It means so much to me because I felt so alone in this for a long time. It felt really nice that I was finally able to share with you guys and that you guys were there for me. I don't want to get emotional about this again, but I really appreciate you guys being there for me. And also I did get a lot of comments about me deleting my videos. I'm not sure where that came from, but I'm not gonna delete my videos. All my fitness videos are gonna stay, so don't worry about that. In that video, I also mentioned that I was feeling burnout and I've been feeling like that for a while now. And that's just the nature of the job. It gets really hectic and stressful, but don't worry about me. I've been trying to take care of myself, and that's the reason why I wasn't posting as regularly, because I was trying to take care of myself and I was playing a lot of games at that time. I was playing a lot of World of Warcraft, which I really enjoyed, but now I'm ready to get back. I want to make videos that I enjoy making, and that's the reason why I'm making today's video. I want to share what I eat. I'm not gonna try to take like really pretty pictures for my website. It just gets a bit too much that I'm filming and then taking pictures, and then I want to enjoy my food, so I'm just gonna film and eat my food today so I can enjoy what I'm doing, you know what I mean? So for today's breakfast, we're gonna be having banana split. Very delicious and yummy and nutritious and healthy. Okay, we're gonna start with a banana, and apparently you're supposed to peel the banana from the bottom. I don't know how true that is, but that's what my friend told me. I'm gonna slice it right in the middle. I'm practicing safe slicing. Yeah, focus. Ooh, that looks really nice. Pretty banana. Now, I'm gonna get some yogurt. I'm using a low-fat yogurt. I'm gonna plop a few scoops, lots of scoops actually. And I'm gonna add some monk fruit sweetener to it. And then mix it. And now I'm just gonna lop it. Pop it on top of the banana. Instead of using ice cream, I'm using healthy yogurt. There's a lot of protein in here. That's quite a big scoop. There's maybe 150 grams here. Some raspberries, some blueberries, just whatever you want. Some granola. I mean, this is not granola, this is muesli. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna also use some freeze-dried strawberries. You know, I'm not supposed to make this look pretty, but it looks kind of pretty right now. And also some chocolate. I have melted some over here. This is the brand I'm using for the chocolate. It's sugar-free. Oh damn, this looks so freaking good. This took me 3 minutes. So no excuses to not make this at home, because it's so easy to make and you can have a healthy breakfast at home. If you don't think that's enough protein, you could just add a little bit more yogurt, or you could just make an egg or something. Let's eat. Holy shit, my mic was fucked up, so I wasn't recording anything. Anyway, I added some vitamin D to it, and I was saying how the banana is not really ripe, so it's a little bit firm. And when I bite onto it, it hurts my teeth because I am on my Invisalign course, so my teeth are constantly moving and it's hurting. So every time I bite onto something like really hard, you know, like muesli, granolas, it hurts a lot. Yeah, that was what I was talking about. And then I forgot to share my merch with you guys. And this is something that I've been working on that I'm super excited about, and that's the reason why I'm wearing it today. I have so many designs and I'm super excited to share it with you guys soon, but I'm gonna share a few items with you guys today. So this is one of the items. This is the crop top, and that's the joggers. It's really kawaii. I really like it, and it comes in 4 colors, 4 different designs, and we have a crop top, this little tank top, a jumper, and joggers and shorts. So I'm so excited to share everything with you guys, but today I'm gonna share maybe like 5 items or so. So yeah, very excited. Now I'm gonna keep eating. So oishi. This is actually quite silly because it's just eating yogurt with fruits and chocolate sauce and muesli. It's not really special, it's just the presentation, I suppose. But it's still good, right? This is the first outfit, and I'm just gonna zoom to the top over here. Look. Kawaii. I love this emoji so much. And this is the overall look of the joggers, the outfit. Pair of joggers make your bum look super nice. And there's also a little logo here, which is really subtle. And the back of the top is really simple as well. Like, oh my god. Like, there's a little logo here, but everything is really subtle, so it doesn't look too much going on, but yet cute. That's what I wanted, like something that's minimalistic but cute. Yes. And also my tummy is feeling bloated because I got my period. Definitely gonna change out of this because my tummy is feeling really uncomfortable. It's cramping, it's bloated, it's not very nice right now, okay? And I'm gonna grab some chocolate, which I've been having. Let me show you. These are the chocolates. I love this brand. This is it. If you have not tried it before, you have to, guys. You have to try it. And I really like this too. This has no sugar added, but it's a lot sweeter. It's a lot sweeter than this. This I like better, but this is really good too. This is hazelnut and that's almond. Lunch. Okay, we're having a very simple lunch today. We're gonna have some pizza with pre-made base and barbecue chicken, leftover barbecue chicken that I made yesterday that I ate with some rice. If you're using a roast chicken, you could always just marinate it with some barbecue sauce, and I'm using this barbecue sauce, which is super good. The ingredients are so simple and they're organic and just no sugar added too. Pretty amazing. Tastes really, really good. That's in here. And then you can use some cheese, and I'm using like these little buffalo cheese. And if you have not tried like this buffalo, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I think it's buffalo. These are so good. If you have not tried it on pizza, you're really missing out. You gotta try it out, okay? And typically I also like to add some goat cheese, especially when it's a vegetarian pizza, but today I don't know if I'm best before 24th of August. No, can I still have this? Am I gonna get stomachache? And for vegetables, I'm gonna add some peppers and cilantro, and I think that's it. It's only gonna take me 1 minute to put it together, and then another 10 minutes in the oven. It's pretty simple. Let's do it. So this cauliflower pizza. Wait guys, let's talk about my merch. Okay, so this is a jumper and I really like the cut. Can you guys see? Okay, I spent like at least 8 months trying to make everything look okay. It's just a lot of effort because changing the fabric and also just like where the shoulder drops and the cut, I want it to be like, you know, baggy so it looks really cute and comfortable. And yeah, this is the top and I'm wearing a matchy shorts with it. I wish I can show you guys properly. Like I'm being so silly. Why am I showing you guys here? I'll show it off later. But I want it now! Here's another really cute and kawaii one. It's a crop top. I'm not sure whether you guys can tell the color. It's kind of like a nude pink. And a pair of shorts to go with it. So you can pull it down a little bit if you want to cover your butt. But if you want to show your butt, then you can pull it up a little bit more. So it's up to you. And I really like the cutting on the side because it makes it look a lot more flattering. There are 4 colors to each set. So this is just one of the set, and they are all available for pre-sale in like a couple of weeks. So just check out my website or check out my upcoming YouTube videos if you guys wanna get a set of these. Also, just want to show you guys the nude top quickly. I have a pair of shorts that go with this, but I just want to show you the difference in color. So this is the nude pink and that's the nude top, like kind of like an off-white top. And this is what it says on the top: engage your core. Engage your fucking core. Engage your core. Engage your core. Yeah, engage your core. And of course, I gotta have a set of black jumpers, right? And it's up and down plank gang. Super kawaii. And I really like the cutting of these jumpers. Like it's kind of on the baggy side. Like I want it to be baggy because I want it to be comfortable, and the shoulders is dropping off. That's the requirement that I had for the manufacturer, and that took a long time for them to fix for some reason. But here it is. I really like the jumper, and there are 5 jumpers, so this is just 1 out of the 5, and I think I'll show you guys the rest when they're all ready for pre-sale because there's just a lot to show. So all these are gonna be up for pre-sale in a couple of weeks, and they're all limited stock, and I'm not gonna restock them after they're out. So make sure you get what you want because they're just limited. I want it to be something special. And I really like them. I really like how they turn out. I'm actually super proud of them. Yeah. So this is the other set, and I almost forgot to show you guys the detailing on the sleeve over here. Engage your core. This is the engage your core one. Some of them are clothing challenge, but all of the jumpers or sweatshirts have some sort of detailing on the sleeve, and I think you can see more clearly that the shoulders falls off. So this is the nude set. Yes, pizza base. Oh man, this smells so good. I think there's garlic in it, and this is the barbecue sauce that I'm gonna pop on it. There is no point, I mean there is a point making your own barbecue sauce if you want to, but it's not worth my time right now. Right now I'm going for simple meals. I want it to be quick and easy to make, and I'm being a little bit lazy, so this is kind of like
like my lazy lunch.
I think that's saucy enough, right? Like, I don't want to make it soggy. I'm just gonna cut up the chicken pieces into like a little bit smaller. I think that's enough chicken, right? Like, I don't want it to be loaded with chicken. I want some cheese in there. Now we're gonna use some cheese. I'm gonna have a few blob, maybe a lot of blobs. Many blobs.
Hi, my name is Blob.
I mean, we want a lot of blobs in things, right? I won't get sick, I'm pretty sure. Cheese are kind of aged, am I right? It won't hurt me, just a little bit. And I don't know why I'm wearing this color. I could just wear my black jumper and that would be a lot safer when I'm cooking something so colorful. I'm gonna also add some peppers. I feel like there's too much cheese right now. I'm overloading this. Maybe some red peppers. It just looks so messy right now. I think it needs more barbecue sauce. Oh, this is such a bad idea. Not a good idea to put barbecue sauce after I pop my vegetables. Now everything just looks so messy. It is looking pretty decent. I'm gonna pop it in the oven for 10 minutes and it's gonna be epic.
Why are you running?
Okay, here's the pizza. Looks really good, right? Smells so good. Barbecue chicken pizza. Let's try it. I just don't want to dirty my jumper because this is the only set I have. This is really good. My teeth are hurting, but this is worth it. Definitely smaller chicken pieces because it's really hard to stuff it in your mouth if they are big pieces and they're just gonna drop. Goat cheese is actually really good with it. This is one of the best lunch I've had in a while. Okay, I've changed my jumper. I can finally eat in peace without worrying. This was really good. You gotta try it out. I'm feeling so satisfied, so happy. I'll see you guys in a bit because I need to crash.
Wow, I'm so proud of you. You're doing amazing.
Hello, here's my dinner. It's just some salmon, some vegetables, some potato.
I'm actually quite tired right now, so this is one of my favorite meals to go for because it's so easy to make. I just chuck everything in the oven, leave it there for about 30 minutes for the potato. For the salmon, about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the cut. This is my favorite salmon, which is King Ora salmon, which is a lot fattier. So this salmon melts in your mouth instead of Alaskan or Atlantic salmon. They're generally a little bit drier. I like this a lot. So if you don't like the salmon that you're having right now, maybe try King Ora salmon or king salmon. They're just a lot softer and just really nice. Yeah, gonna have this now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and please leave a comment down below. I really appreciate that as always. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao. I'm gonna eat now.